Well, a very good morning to everyone and welcome here to Paddington Station. Absolutely delighted that we have the opportunity to name a train after Alan Turing.
To save thousands of British and American lives, and in no small way, contributed to the speed with which the enemy was routed and eventually forced to surrender.
On behalf of the Director and the staff at GCHQ, I would like to thank Mark and the GWR team for this significant gesture in committing one of their train fleet in his name.
Thank you so much to Great Western Railway for always standing with the whole LGBT+ community and celebrating our diversity and the things that bring us together and not those that divide us. Thank you.
Ina and I, on behalf of the family, are extremely honoured and proud to officially name this intercity express train after our uncle Alan Turing, OBE.